So then the app will start downloading, and then here you have this mobile ordering, scan to earn points, redeem rewards, find your Firehouse, orders to the app, get mobile exclusive rewards, stay in the loop, and much more with the official Firehouse Subs app. Mobile ordering for select locations, order with the app and skip the line. Stay in the loop, explore your Firehouse Subs favorites, and discover our newest menu additions. Follow your Firehouse Subs. Earn 1 point for every 1 cent you spend on Firehouse Subs app. So just open it up, and then here you see what's happening. You can allow and then allow to track, and then and then you can just select all the catering, and then you can just get the rewards. And this is the app which specifically supports first responders. There is a Firehouse Subs Public Safety Foundation. Then there are rewards which you can get out. Then there is your order. Then you can earn. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So give a try to this app.